In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom into chart or increase candle size in Tradingview. Let's start with the quickest method, the mouse wheel. On a desktop with a mouse, hover your cursor over the part of the chart you want to focus on. Gently scroll the wheel forward to zoom in and backward to zoom out. The chart will zoom toward wherever your cursor is placed, so aim at the exact price area or time region you want to examine. This is perfect for fast, precise adjustments while analyzing entries and exits. If you want taller candles without changing how many bars you see, adjust the vertical scaling. Move your cursor to the price axis on the right side of the chart. Click and drag up to compress or down to expand the scale. Expanding makes the candles taller, which is helpful for spotting wicks and fine price movements. Compressing gives you a wider view of price action while keeping the same time span. This modifies only the height of the candles relative to price, for wider candles and more breathing room between bars. Change the horizontal scaling. Move your cursor to the time axis at the bottom. Click and drag to the left to zoom in and make candles wider, or to the right to zoom out and fit more bars on the screen. This affects how many candles you see at once without changing your chart's time frame. It's great for scanning trends or zooming into tight consolidation areas. You can also use the zoom tool for a targeted view. Select the magnifying option in the toolbar, then click and drag a box over the exact area you want to inspect. When you release, Tradingview zooms directly into that selection. This method is ideal when you need a clean, defined zoom on a specific price swing or pattern. On touchscreens or trackpads that support gestures, use 2 fingers to pinch outward to zoom in or pinch inward to zoom out. Keep your fingers centered over the region you care about to guide where the zoom happens. This offers a smooth, intuitive way to navigate without switching tools. If your chart ever feels stretched or messy, reset it instantly. Double-click the price axis on the right, and Tradingview returns the chart to its default zoom level. This brings back a balanced view so you can start fresh. With these methods, the mouse wheel, vertical and horizontal scaling, the zoom